What happened? What's up, Gloom? Yo, there should be more in my account balance. I didn't trade. It should be $200 more. Something's not right. Something's not right. I'll go over my bias in a bit. But yeah, I was right about yesterday. We ended up taking those highs and then filling in that daily fair value gap. And I think we even took previous day high. So everything happened. That's very bullish order flow. Use volume imbalance. Yeah, there is a small volume imbalance in the daily chart, but I don't think I'm gonna use that as a draw on liquidity. I don't think it's gonna go there right now. I'm gonna have to go to the lower time frame and see on the 4 hour. But hold on, it's saying I put in another trade. Did I not cancel an order on TradeEvade or something and then I lost? But then my account should be blown completely. Not because if there was no like stop loss or anything. What happened yesterday? Yeah, it's saying I took another trade yesterday. I must have left a limit order in or something. Well, that's truly unfortunate. I guess I left an order in. I could have sworn that I cleared them all. Because it's saying I took 3 trades. When did I take a third trade? I could have sworn I cleared all my orders. Whatever. I guess I was kind of heavily relying on winning today, but now we're in serious drawdown, so we might just go ahead and risk higher with one trade and hope to get it back. And if not, we just gotta start from scratch because I definitely did not take another trade because I just risked like my whole account in one trade. That's stupid. So let's see. Anyways, there's nothing we can do now. That's unfortunate. Um, bullish or bearish? I'm gonna go to the 4 hour. The daily time frame. I mean, it looks like it's going for these highs. Right, unless we really start to wick now on that daily fair value gap. ES already inverted. Look like it's coming for that high. So my focus is here. I don't know if we're gonna get there today, but let's see. Let's check out the 4 hour time frame. But I think I'm just bullish, just because the order flow is so bullish. It looks like we're drawn to a premium array. We disrespected this premium array, well, so far. So we go to the next premium array, which is this high. Um, you can do it on the 4 hour array. If we inverse this 4 hour, you can expect us to be drawn to the next premium array, which is this high. So I'm bullish, right? Let's scan the 4 hour for PD arrays that will support price higher. So we inverted this, took out this high right here. It's Thursday, May 30. Tuesday, May 28. That's this high right here. So we do have a little bit of SMT, but all right, we're still expanding. There's a 4 hour fair value gap here. Let's drop down to the 15-minute. Oh, did we just Oh, okay. Oh, okay, I see. I don't like days like this. So we might look to take a short and then take a long today. I don't like days like this. Because at this point, I just want to either. So we might look to take a short and then take a long. I want to risk higher today. I want to take more trades with lower risk or just risk higher. I want to take more trades. Let's find a PD array that we can potentially short off of. There's two down close candles. There's this swing high here. There's two down close candles. That's pretty much the only thing I can see us potentially shorting off of. That's pretty much the only thing I can see us potentially shorting off of. Alternatively, we come down hourly for value gap here. We would need to see price really go lower. Yo, Kumar, pretty unfortunate news. It's saying like I took another trade yesterday. Maybe I left a limit in or something. But I'm down an extra 300. So I think I'm just gonna risk high today. Right, the account's already in like serious drawdown. I'm just gonna look to not take a bad trade because there's no point in doing that. But I'm gonna look to over risk. And you guys can probably hear my. Sorry about that. Look to over risk and then just go for it. If I lose, I lose. If I win, if I lose, just get another account, which I already have that I'm working on. And if I win, then just take the win. So basically, blow my account, or even if I risk 250, which is my whole account, 2 R's only 500, which is what I had yesterday. So stupid. I guess I must have left it. That's what I said. I thought I did. I could have sworn I closed all my positions. I don't know. I went back and said I took 3 trades yesterday, which I know I did not do. So today I'm gonna look to take a short and then a long. I'm bullish. Definitely not taking a long up here. I mean, it's okay. To be honest, I've been making a lot of mistakes. We've been managing our risk well. If I lose the account, I lose it. I mean, it's not the end of the world. So let's see. We're 3 points away from this high on the 1 hour time frame. I think it's a 4 hour high as well, actually. So yeah, it's a 4 hour high. We'll look to short at that high and then maybe long again. But like I said, I'm going all in today. Today I'm going all in. So we'll see. The 1 hour for value gap forming. There's 10 a.m. news, isn't there? Why you mark midnight opening? Because, so remember, every candle is open, low, high, close, or open, high, low, close. Every bullish candle is going to form like this. Let me do it better. Every bullish candle will form like this. It's going to open, it's going to make a low, make a high, then a close, right? That's every single bullish candle, any time frame. Every bearish candle is going to go like this. Open, high, low, close. What's the key of marking midnight opening price? Is if you mark midnight opening price, then your best setup is right here. Your best setup is right here. And midnight opening price is midnight. What's a VIMB? VIMB is a volume imbalance. It's the same thing as similar to a fair value gap, right? ICT doesn't teach fair value gap equals imbalance. He teaches imbalance equals imbalance. What's an imbalance? It's a volume imbalance. So volume is in the body of the candle, right? So whenever the bodies of the candles are not overlapping, you see these two candles, the body is not overlapping. There's no fair value gap because the wicks were trading, but there is a volume imbalance there. And you treat it the exact same way you would a fair value gap. So you can use it as a drawn liquidity. You can use it as whatever you want, like whatever you want. If you're like volume imbalance, drawn liquidity, support, like gap up. No, it's not a gap up. That's when there's no trading at all. It's when the bodies of the candle, see this body and this body. There's no body overlap between from here to here. The bodies are not touching. That's a volume imbalance. A gap is different. A gap is when there's nothing in between the two. Like it literally gapped up. Just no wick, no body, a full space in between. Usually you'll see that with like new day opening gap, right? Whenever there's 9:30, everything that happened pre-market usually forms a gap. Very bullish price action. Looks like it's open, low, high, close, huh? You can see it really nicely. We could look to enter in this area. What's up, Armin? But yeah, like I said, today we're gonna go all in because it's just stupid. The question is, do I take a 1 minute setup? I don't think so. I won't break any rules. I could just take this high so I could short. A nice move lower. Significant breaker there. We didn't take any high, but the 1 minute time frame, there's a really nice high, low, high, high, low, low. That's your breaker block. Oh, let me just do it like this. I'm honestly tempted to short this, but I want price to come back into a discount. I want to take 2 trades today. Either get my account back where there's enough like wiggle room. A breaker is a high, low, high. Yeah, that's a bearish breaker. This is. Oh wait, did I say it wrong? Yeah, so high, low, high, high, low, low. A breaker. A breaker block is a liquidity sweep followed by a market structure shift on the time frame. So you tell me, where is there a liquidity sweep, market structure shift? There's one right here. Liquidity sweep and then market structure shift. So high, low, high, high, low, low. That's your breaker block. A plus plus setups. I want to, but the thing is, like I don't want to waste. I also don't want to waste time. I mean, I'm not gonna short this, but I don't want to waste time on this account now because my goal is to get a payout, right? My goal isn't to my goal is to learn. Number one, my goal is to improve. So that's the reason I'm not gonna take shitty trades. Well, like not gonna take a trade. I'm like, okay, I don't like this, but I'll take it. Like if I have to like the trade, that's number one, improve. Number two is get a payout. It doesn't really make sense for me to hmm um I marked the whole candle. You wait till 10 a.m. Good luck. Good luck, Bando. My second goal is to get a payout, and I don't want to. I don't want to. If we change day delivery here, I might take this. We didn't take any higher time frame thing, but there's a 15-minute fair value gap there. We did just tap in. Let's see. Maybe I'll even though we're in a deep premium, maybe we use this to take out that high I wanted to earlier, and then we can see potentially short movement. But I don't know. It has to be really clean. Like if we displaced it this high, then I'd say okay, we're running for that high. And if there's SMT there, why not just wait for the best setup? Yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm definitely not gonna take a bad setup, but I'm worried that I'll just sit here around waiting and then a small SMT here with the slow. Because I don't want to just sit around waiting for a setup and then like I'm sure something will form. I'm not gonna force it. I'm sure like a good setup will form today. I don't. I'm not saying like I'm just gonna take whatever, but let's just see what happens here. This doesn't look too bad. Yeah. It's 15-minute. We tapped in. Yeah, we're in a premium. It's not clean right now though. I think it'll take like two trades, Kumar. Cause now I'm at 250. I was at 500 yesterday. In which case, if I risk like 300, I could like start getting looking towards for a payout. I might short this. Mm. Yo, it lines up with the order block. You fell asleep before lunch and lost 7 hour NQ. I mean, that's kind of what happened to me, I guess. We tapped into the order block there. We're in the 15 FG right now. Yeah, but the thing is that 15 FG is just too far in a premium. If there was a lower, like one in the discount, then it would be more valid than this one. This one's not that valid. And because we already traded so deep into it, like yeah, I could still respect. But ideally, it depends where we close. All right, we're gonna close in 8 minutes, so we'll have to see. Good stop loss instead, yeah. Could take this fair value gap. It's a good setup, but I'd be breaking rules because we didn't hit any higher time frame PD array, so I'm not gonna take it. But it's pretty clean because we took out this high. I mean, there's no best, but anyone who trades ICT trades with the liquidity sweep first. Every model starts with liquidity sweep. ES tapped into an order block. I think I like this. We'll just wait. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. We still have 10 a.m. Like we still have a lot of movement. And worst case, I will trade PM if I have to. I will say though, not to flex or I mean, I'm not trying to flex obviously, but I've been back testing. Show you what I got so far. Um, this is not back test. So like this isn't like what like now the journal just messed up. So technically I have to go wait for the 10 to 11 macro thingy. Yeah, I mean macros are 10 minutes before the hour finishes and 10 minutes when the hour starts. So 9:50 to 10:10. Look at this back test. So right now in back test, I'm break even in 4 wins. Bro, these trades are clean. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. This was this was the so this is the one I broke even. This is the trade I took. So just buy side we took. Um I broke even after we got tapped in. Failed to take that low. We took another set of buy side 15 minute with the 1050 macro this time. Tapped in perfectly to the one tick and then we took out all the way. Perfect trade. Like that's perfect. Next trade, perfect, right? This happened. I entered on this fair value gap. Oh no, wait. I entered right here. Sorry. I entered on this fair value gap, and then we took profits at this low. Like we traded perfectly into that low, and then retraced. Low hanging fruit. And then you could have re-entered. I hit 930 low after this trade. This one was perfect, right? When we trade to a 15-minute imbalance, we swept liquidity. So we swept buy side, 15-minute imbalance, right one above midnight opening. We're right in the macro. We tapped in perfectly into the breaker. Just not a breaker. We inverted 1 minute and then boom, low hanging fruit TP. It's beautiful. This one, we swept buy side. ES was SMT higher time frame below midnight opening. Also a lower time frame SMT right here. We tapped in perfectly, one tick. Took profits at that low hanging fruit, which is this fair value gap, right? And I raised my stop loss here. So far, and this is risking 250 each trade. So just risking 250, we're risking 250 each trade. We're already up 2,000. From this is actually like managing my RR now, right? I'm not just 2R every trade. So we risk 250 and we're up 2,000. So how much R average is that? 250. And we're at 2,000. What is that for? 4 wins. We're averaging around like 2.5 R. Because we took 4 wins. No, is it 2R? Oh, it's just 2R. It says 5 wins, but one of them was break even and it was only like $10. What was I doing here? Okay, so we wicked pretty hard on that 15-minute fair value gap. Yes, it's still going lower. This is pretty low probability. So, I don't know. It's pretty good stuff. Like, that just comes to show you, like, 4 wins. You take 4 wins in a row, that is all you need. And I know I can take 4 wins in a row. I've taken like 7 wins in a row. I think 8 is like my, or 7. I think 7 is my best win streak. Or there was a time I was like, I won like 6, or like I won 4, lost 1, and then like won 4 again or something. Something like that. Like, um, those were good times. Good times. I miss those times. Yeah, almost like I don't know what it's like. 50 trade to 50%. Uh, Yes. But the thing is, one of them was. So let's see. Wait, I lost two. When did this happen? Like this one was break even. Wait, I don't. This is. I must have taken a trade by accident or something. Let's. Can I go back and see? What the? I think yeah. This is obviously by accident. I took a trade in the PM. I must have left my limit order in or something. Cause I don't even trade PM in my back test. But no. But wait, no. Something's not right because it says 5 trades. This is way more than 5. And then what is this 1.64? There's no way I took a trade that was 1.64. It's saying I won $400 in 1.64? That's not even possible. None of my trades are even near. This was exactly like 2R. What trade is 1.64 RR? I don't know. I don't know if these stats are good. I'm not. Maybe I should start measuring my PNL because I don't know if this is valid. Because look, 900 gain, 400 gain, 500 to 600. 1, 2, 3, 4 wins. It's saying I have no losses, so I don't even know where this 220. Oh, that's why it says 221. Hold on. Um, like, see, it's saying I took 2 losses here. These 2 trades must have been an accident. So I think we should be up 500 more because it's saying I took 2 losses in my P&L, but when you go to the actual dashboard, it's saying I'm 5-0, right? It doesn't say I have any losses. 2 losses, bro. It's just bullshit. Those 2 trades were BS, bro. I'm telling you, I have not lost a trade. That's BS. Did I really take a trade and not even remember it? No way. I literally journaled every trade. Anyway, this doesn't matter right now. The reason I'm not too focused on the charts is because we have 10 a.m. PMI, I think. So we should wait. Yeah, I don't know how those got triggered either. It keeps happening to me. It's pretty annoying. Um, Gotta lock in. Yeah. Well, I'm actually curious now because I don't remember losing 2 trades in my back test. I must have like left a limit in or something. News dropped as expected. Is news? Is there 9:45 news? Oh, at 10, everything will keep getting better and better. Yeah, we're good, bro. We're good. I'm locked in. Um, I'm just annoyed about this back testing because now my data's either there's a trade I took and I didn't journal it, 2 trades I took and I didn't journal, which I don't even think is good, is right because it says like I didn't even put a TP, which is like that doesn't make any sense. Well, there was no way I wouldn't put any TP. So I must have like put one in by accident. Okay, this is the trade I took. I took a long here. Yeah, it looks like something I might take, to be honest. Maybe I just didn't journal it. And then we took another trade right after. Oh, that was the second one. We took a trade right before. Maybe I did take two. Okay, so these are the trades I took. Okay, like this is BS, right? I obviously did not take this trade. What is this trade? What is this entry? Oh, I'm entering on this fair value gap? Huh. Anyway, I guess this is an example of, look, I got stopped out twice and then it played out. So maybe there was a higher time frame PD array or something that was like not in play yet. Maybe I did take two trades and I just forgot. S&P Global Services. Yep, there probably was. The only thing is, like, that's not really as impactful as um like it's just an orange folder. You really just focus, mostly you want to just focus on the red folder news, like the ISM services PMI red folder. That's what's really gonna move the market. So what I can do now is, if we take out this high, I'll look to take shorts and probably just target like 50% of this range equilibrium. This low is perfectly in equilibrium. So like 50%. And we'll just target there after we take that high. I think that's the plan pretty much. I need to remember to keep making plans even after pre-market. Hopefully ES doesn't take that low. I hope we just keep consolidating. Is that 50%? I guess what I could do is just literally mark out 50% with a fib. I want to get precise here. Yep. You already know. Oh shoot, I just moved it. Oh, that's a 0.5. I can't change that. Okay. Well, that low is literally like one tick. Hold on. I think it's actually one tick because I can move this down. Is that actually exactly at 0.5 of that whole range? Oh, no, it's not. Anyways, that's the plan. That is the plan. So, oh no, it looks like ES is going to take it out. 830 low. Oh no, that sucks. Well, actually, it means equal lows. If we go up from here, potentially we could target those equal lows later. That would be nice. Never mind. So my plan is either take out this low and go long, or take out this high and go short. If we take out the high first, I'll go short and then long, targeting this low. If we take out the low first, I'm just gonna go long because I'm bullish. Simple as that. Is there any PD array? Yeah, we'd be tapping into an hourly fair value gap again. No 4-hour anything. ES is dying. Yeah, ES is going a lot lower. It's SMT now. So we could look to target that long. Right? We should consider that. But taking a trade right before is tough. SMT right there. You could start targeting this high. Let's see. I think it's already too late. The best energy would have been turtle soup right there. Let's see if it takes out that high. Okay, we took out the high. Now we have S&T into highs and lows. So things just are weird now. We're just gonna wait till 10 a.m. for sure. If price is so close to bicycle, I don't understand why I wouldn't take it. Yeah. Either leave it for later to induce more. So think about it like this, right? Imagine you're in a trade long. You're in a trade long with $100,000, right? And your TP is right here. Boom. That's your TP. That's the buy side that we marked out. You're in longs in London session. Damn. You must have caught some really good fucking longs then. This is the 4 hour high with a 4 hour bearish for value gap in here. This could be a really good setup for shorts. Um, you just want to think about, like, let's say you know you're gonna set, like, you're in a long and your take profits are right here. The more lower you go, you just go and pick up more orders is one, and you get more people. 1 to 8 RR out of Asian high pre. That's amazing, bro. Good shit. Your USD. What's up with Euro USD? I was looking at, okay, so I marked this out a long time ago, Wednesday. Wait, that today? I don't know when I did, but I guess that was just, okay. That was good. What do I see? Euro? I think it's hard to say right now. All I see is this. Overall, we've been bullish. You'd have to look at like weekly objectives, see what's more likely. We already took out the weekly high, so I think that's also previous month high. Yeah, we just took out previous month high, so I would definitely expect some lower prices. We took out previous month high, and we inverted that range. Yeah, so I'm pretty bearish on Euro in my opinion. At least retracing. It kind of already did retrace into here. I would have to wait and see. Like, I think these shorts look a lot better though. Like something like this. It's pretty clean actually. I would look to see if there's SMT there or something with the GBP. I wouldn't be surprised if there is. Yeah, engineering more liquidity, exactly. GBP USD. I wouldn't be surprised if there's SMT there. Look at that. There is. It's a good short, in my opinion. It's a good short here. I'd go to the 5 minute and see. I'd wait for a chain state delivery. Yeah, nothing on the 5 minute. Yeah. Do you think ASS and liquidity works like a magnet all the fucking time? 100%, bro. What was I looking at here? Why does this look so stretched? Okay, so our focus is this high right here. We're using the 4 hour objective to frame a short. Although I'm bullish, I'm expecting a retracement. Let's see if we can get there. And yes. The FEG you marked as your TP? Amazing, bro. Yeah, if it goes up there and take the high, it might have, I feel like it'll tap into the FEG, so you can get those extra points. But you never know. It might not tap in. So just be cautious. We have an SMT from right here. Like that's a huge SMT. Damn. I'm gonna eat a banana. We got 3 minutes left. Appreciate you guys. Okay, we got 1 minute. SMT to confirm every idea like reversals. Yeah. SMT is used to confirm a reversal. That's all it is. So if we go lower off news, we'll look to take a long. If we go higher, we'll look to take a short. Short with you on the retracement. Hey, that's good, Raj. If it goes short here, I'm gonna look to take a long here. Um, we'll just have to see what news does. In my opinion, I feel like it makes sense to take out these sell stops first, but we'll see. I mean, ES already did, so maybe not. Same low. ES already took out that low. I'm on a 10-minute time frame right now. What the hell? You one takeaway, like yeah, that's how you know like it's probably gonna run. Okay, okay, yeah, okay. So, oh, okay, yeah. News is great. Um, we did take out this low. We have SMT at the lows right here. That might be enough for me to consider this long. Because of the SMT and we just took sell side inside this 15-minute fair value gap, that might be enough for me to consider a long. That being said, how, bruh? How do you long? What the fuck? How do you long something like that? And then there's people who trade during news and they're like, not like Raj, because Raj's been in position since Asia. It doesn't matter how much news. It's not gonna, you know, but um, this is a good trade, I think. If it forms market structure shift fair value gap, we can catch 20, maybe 30 points. It's right. We took the buy side into the 15-minute fair value gap with SMT. We manipulated lower and wicked up. If it gives me a fair value gap, I'll take it. I don't like the wick, but there's no reason to go back down here. So low, like low, high, lower, low, high, high. Make this a bullish breaker, and I'll take a trade off of it. Oh, the R is gonna be shit, but that's some shitty RR. That's some really bad RR. Even if we go to the bottom of the breaker, target the 4-hour fair value gap. It's a little different. But even then, that's if I'm entering off the breaker and my stop loss is off. Well, it would have to be like, just wait for the sweep. What sweep? Of the high, you mean? And then go short? I want to do both. Because of this condition my account is in, I don't want to play this slow stepping ladder game anymore. You feel me? We took that high SMT. It's just like pretty unclear price action. Just because my account, like when I lost an extra 250 yesterday that I didn't even like mean to trade, I only have one or two trades, one, two, or three trades left in me. And if my goal is to get a payout, that's my second goal. My first goal is to improve. My second goal is to get a payout. But that being my second goal, it doesn't make sense for me to like, what's it called? Not go like balls deep. That's the best way I can say it. Like, not like go for it. Like, don't go all in. With that being said, in my opinion, I know price is gonna go here. Like, I'm pretty confident it's gonna go there. And if it gives me signs that it's gonna retrace, how much you get in payouts until now? I think about like 2,000 USD. I took my first payout was like, maybe a little more than 2,000. I took like a one. My first payout was 1,500. Then I blew the account. Oh no, I think it's 2,000. My first payout was 1,000 USD, and then my second payout was like 550. My next one was like 450, and I haven't gotten a payout since. So around like 2,000 USD, which is good for me because I'm in Canada, so that shit is a lot more than 2,000. Well, so it's pretty good for that at least. So I think you can consider that profitable. Sure is. Yeah, it's nice. That's like the only good thing about Canada, bro. U.S. dollar is greater than the Canadian dollar. Where in Canada? I live in Mississauga. We eat Greek yogurt. We have a long on ES. Damn. ES like almost London lows. Taking a long on ES might not be a bad idea. I'm in Toronto, see you one day. Yeah, I'm pretty close to Toronto. You know what, Raj? I want to be like you, bro. The ES long looks good because hmm, we swept that low. We fell short of London low. Came all the way down here and fell short of London low. If we get a setup, I'm gonna be patient, but if we get a nice setup, why do you trade prop firm with Nasdaq? I just like the volatility and the precision. There's no spread. There's no slippage. It's regulated. It's international. All the markets have the exact same price action. You know, TNX. Is that a chart? Oh, I hope it's not that because I ain't look at that shit. I do trade prop firm with Nasdaq. What do you mean? I've never traded London, but it is pretty nice. Raj is a goat, bro. Oh, you're saying thanks. I got you, brother. Okay, let's see. Yeah, would you look at that, eh? You took that short. We're going back to London for sure. That would be good. If we take out this low, well, at that point, I don't even know if you can say that this is going to be a bullish day. Because now look at the daily fair value gap. Oh, wait, where is it? Here. No, we're still trading so far ahead in front of it, but let's see. Let's wait for something drastic. Let's you know what? Let's not forget the 15 minute. No, there's no slippage or spread, right? We took out this low. We have SMT at the lows. I said I'd take my long if we get into a discount. We still gotta wait on that. As for ES, we definitely went into a discount. We went into like OTE perfectly. But now that it's like that displacement happens even on news, they don't let you trade news. If you trade a heavy folder news, I think that's breaking rules. You're not allowed to just gamble news. They'll deny you payouts if you do that. Yeah, he's not wrong. I mean, they're not that slow because they're still high impact news. But usually, like for example, Thursday will be really slow because Thursday is the day before NFP, right? So what do they do? If you know they're gonna distribute positions on Friday, what are they gonna do on Thursday? They're gonna accumulate positions. So you have to wait 2 minutes. Oh, cool. All right, let's see. Maybe we can long London low. Hmm. A huge SMT there. And then when we take London low, ES, maybe NQ will take this low, and then we can potentially long off there. We're getting close to London low on ES. At this point, though, like, um, yeah, no, there's no slippage, but they don't even let you because then you can just like get lucky. You can get lucky and make like thousands, and they don't want to give payouts to people who just gambled. They only want to give payouts to actual people who are like trading consistently with proper risk management and like proper strategy. I mean, they don't want to give payouts. Period. Obviously, it's their money, but so tomorrow is thing. I don't know if I'll stream or not because it's day before NFP. In my backtest history, yeah, I've actually caught some nice trades before, but a lot of the time I look back and I see like, yikes. It's just better to avoid it. So maybe I won't stream tomorrow. I don't want to miss a day, but like, what am I really streaming for? Like, I know in the long run I'm gonna be missing those days. I'm gonna be skipping those days. So might just take the day off, backtest the whole day. I could live stream and just backtest, answer questions. That's a good idea, right? Q&A and backtest. Yeah, that's not a bad idea actually. If I could do that. Hold on, sorry. Go to the gym after this. Getting hot in here. Okay, let's get something, all right? We're looking to long off this low or London low. Hopefully they happen at the same time. We'll have a huge SMT. Just you know what this will be like? Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys the power of backtest. I know the exact trade that this is replicating. It's this one right here. Look at this. There's an so ES in this trade took out London low. NQ never even went below midnight opening, but there was SMT We took out a low on Nasdaq, but not SMT, and then I just took profits at this fair value gap, and it literally happened around the same time too. Like what is this? That's an 11:01 entry. Okay, I guess that's not the same time. It's 10:13 right now, but you never know. Maybe it'll form at that time. So I'm gonna say pretty much the exact same trade. How look at GBP JPY? Holy shit! I shouldn't have left my shorts. Did I not just call out? I pretty much called out. Like, you know what? I would look for a short here on the 5 minute. Well, I guess it just happened. I know I TP'd there. That sucks because I was in shorts on GBP. I took profits yesterday. I think I took profits like right here. But it's probably gonna go lower for that low. That candle, that news candle did me dirty. Boy, you did yourself dirty. Why are you trading news candle? That was a crazy news candle. Were you in longs or short? Oh, you thought that buy side was gonna get rated? Oh, you said JBP JPY. You want my opinion? It's a difficult chart, right? Usually you only use 3 months of data. Like, I don't care about these highs, really. This too far back. So you're kind of like in like all-time high territory in your like price fractal. So I'd have to use like the most recent range. It's not even formed yet. It's like just expanding. It's not an easy thing, right? If you caught the longs, congratulations. If you're looking now, okay, sure, you can use this range. Oh shit. You can look at this range. You tapped into a discount FEG right here. That would have been your long right there. Like, this would have been, I'll show you the setup that probably formed, right? You tapped into the daily fair value gap in discount of that range. Drop down to the 1 hour. Right? That's the candle low. They didn't even really give an entry. You could have waited for, as soon as this candle gets displaced, you wait for a change state delivery. So, like, I'll do this. This is the order. This is the order block. Not this down close, not this one. This is the order block. It swept the important key level. And then from there, I don't know, you go to the 15 minute, maybe you can find an entry. Price never came back to it, really. So, it's not easy. Yeah, it's tough. I don't know if there's a good entry. Could have entered on the inversion here if you're about that life. But yeah, this is all low resistance liquidity. You can at least expect 50% of that range, which is right here. So that's my opinion. If you caught the longs off the daily fair value gap, congratulations. If not, I would wait. These longs are getting distributed in. If you want a second stage entry, I'd probably be doing it over here. It's Asia, London, Asia session right there. So let's go back to this. We'll be 2.3% on a 450K account. Honestly, bro, I can't tell you because I've never took trades like that before. So I honestly do not know the answer. Just you tell me. Would you rather take profits or would you rather see if it goes up there? In my opinion, I think I'm rejecting the low now. I feel like we're gonna make a move lower for London lows and take off this low, and then from there move higher. I'm expecting this. Although this SMT is strong, right? So maybe not. It doesn't have to take London low. It could just be a failure swing. It happens. But we're pretty close. 8.8 points. We're gonna be patient. Like literally this setup I took, it happened at 11 a.m. I'm gonna show you guys again, bro. I genuinely think the exact same thing might happen. Just a sign from above. I feel like this is gonna happen. ES trades below, takes midnight low, and Q takes out its low, which is this one right here. So I'm gonna wait for that. Uh, would I go short if we take this high now? I don't think so. I don't even know if I'd go short off this. If it gives a really good setup, maybe like a quick scalp. What date is that? That's just a back test. There's like May 8th or something. No, like May 12th, 2023. It's just a trade I remembered from back test. I'm gonna open my fan. It's way too hot. Oh, it's locked in now. It's hot, bro. It's hot here. It's like humid. It's like no air. This is awful. Holy, look at this. Looks familiar. We're probably gonna be waiting till 10:50 on this. You getting cooked on both market and weather? Yeah, I feel you on that one, brother. I feel you on that. We're in some serious drawdown. At this point, I feel like just getting like a new account is just the easiest thing to do for me. Give me a fresh start instead of, at least then I'm not playing comeback, you know? Because right now I'm not even at like level zero. I'm like, I'm like in the prelude, like negative level -5. So why not just start at zero again? I'm kind of interested in shorting. Oh no, I was in shorts right here. I think. How many pips did I catch? 60, but I took profit somewhere shitty. This highs. Oh, look, I literally marked out my euro shit. We invert this 4 hour. Yeah, maybe I'll enter on the 4 hour. Something like this. Oh, okay, we're pushing up maybe. Never mind. Oh yeah, just go in the Discord and you can just see Armin. Search Armin and he'll be there. Discord is growing pretty well. I think we have almost 600 people. What is the duration of AM session? AM session is from 9:30 to 12. In terms of regular trading hours, it's 9:30 to 12. 12 to 1 is lunch, and then 1 to 4 is, or like 1:30 to 4 is PM session, according to regular trading hours. Now, ICT's kill zone is different than the regular trading hours. If you click RTH, regular trading hours, see 9:30, and they're gonna take their break usually at 12. So That's the AM session in New York Stock Exchange. ICT's kill zone is 8:30 to 11. It's different than what the New York AM session is. Two different things. And then his second kill zone is 1:30 to 4. It's PM kill zone. Okay, looks like we might make a run for the high. Would I go short off of it? If we give a setup, I'll take it. 12:30 to 12 in New York is the AM session in the New York Stock Exchange in terms of like when they stop their trading for lunch, right? And then from 1:30 to 4, usually they come back around 1:30. Sometimes they'll start at 1. I don't know. It's different every time. It's up to them. Like I don't know. But in general, 9:30 to 12 and 1:30 to 4. That's the AM session at the New York Stock Exchange. But just know that that's different than Anyway, yo Raj, this is your TP hitting any second now. That's different than the ICT New York kill zone. Two different things. The ICT New York kill zone is 8:30 to 11. That's when there's the most volatility in AM New York. All right, we tapped in. Congratulations all along, people taking profits. We now have a 4. Yes, FEG waiting. Yep, you're close. It's 7 points. It might not tap in, but it could tap in. I would like it to. I'll, yeah. Just like randomly runs like that, huh? No way we could have entered that trade. There's no way. 0% chance. Wait, hold on. Haha. Low? Nah, there's no way, bro. Close 8% odds for the news low. Nice, brother. Proud of you. There it is. Tapped in. Let me just make sure it's. Oh, I was a little inaccurate there. Wait. This is ass, bro. I missed like so bad. Yeah, we're taking the. That's good, bro. I mean, what if that's it's. I'm trying to say it's fine. It's fine. Okay, let's see what happens here. We have SMT at the highs. Um, Potential maybe it's a Wednesday reversal, right? That's always possible. Um, the thing is, we haven't taken this high on ES, and I feel like it's very in the ropes. Look at ES is set up right here. Price might push up high. Yeah, it might. I haven't taken a single trade this week. If we invert this, maybe I'll too short. If we inverse this and change day delivery, I might look to short this. If we inverse and change day delivery using my SMT model, way too far. Let's see. We have high low. If we get a breaker, then I'll switch to I'll do my other model instead. But if we invert this, um, I'll wait for that then. All right, we got high low. Let's see if we get higher high SMT, or if we make a run for 930 high on ES. Give you 2 entries on that fair value gap that you could have played. I didn't take either. See what happens here. Failure swing. High, low, lower, high, lower, low. The best thing that could happen is higher, high, lower, low, and there's a SMT inside. Oh, that would be so good. That would be beautiful for me. So, if we can get that, that would make me, what's the word? The thing is, I know price is likely to come into here. So, maybe we take a partial or something. But then again, like this 930 high is, I feel like it's pretty likely for ES to trade into their 1050 unicorn. Yeah, that would be good. So 20 minutes. But yeah. Let's look at the hourly candle and how it formed. We're trading at the high, the hourly candle, so ecstatic is your word. That's my word. Have I said that? I haven't said that before. Um this hourly candle is currently at its high. So high, low, high, high. Let's see if we get lower, low, there SMT there. Yeah, small SMT. It's valid SMT. Oh, that's what I'm looking for? Oh, that's what you're saying. I got you. I got you. I got you. Okay, no SMT there. 18868. Oh, it's this flat body candle? Yeah, I agree. Like I said, it looks like ES wants to come for these highs here. I feel like it's going to. I think taking a short around 1050 might be the best thing I could do. It's 978 in the ropes. Possible. Yeah, the longs on ES played out. Eight, eight, six. Oh, we must be looking at different charts. I'm tripping because we hit that shit a long time ago. No reversal. Yeah, it looks like we're going for these highs. I mean, I'm gonna look at ES. All right, ES taking high of day. It's too late to get in. If you wanted to get in, this was your trade right here. That's that 5 minute breaker. Yeah, low, high, lower, low, higher, high. This is your 5 minute unicorn. Actually never really traded back into it, so. This is your 5 minute unicorn. Just never played. It never gave an entry. Unfortunate. You take that, yeah. So it looks like that high is definitely in the ropes. We'll see how price reacts off that high. We get a nice. Okay, there's 930 high. I went longs at the wrong time. I feel you, brother. You got too excited. It was a clean draw on liquidity, to be honest. And it looks like that daily high is definitely in the ropes now. Our bias was right. Our drawn liquidity was right. We didn't get a trade set up. It's kind of weird. I just started going out of nowhere, but let's see here. The 4 hour high on ES. Yeah, unlucky. We didn't really get a nice. PM is gonna be. I don't even know what PM is gonna do. Probably reverse, in my opinion. But let's see. We haven't taken the high just yet on ES. Go long for 0.25. Uh, yeah, we're going. We displaced this. Next obvious draw liquidity is that high. I missed out. I think there was a power cut. You missed out on the extreme longs. No setup really formed. There was a setup on ES. I didn't take it though. I think ES gave you a 5 minute breaker that played though, right? Am I wrong? Oh no, I was looking at that. Did the NQ get the breaker? No, it did not. Yeah. There was like one setup, but like you can't even take this, bro. It doesn't even make sense. It just randomly decided to start going up. Um, in my opinion, it's like it's not random, but I definitely could not read it. Like there was no conviction for this fair value gap to hold. I had no idea. It does this, yeah. It's also just NFP week, so Maybe we'll trade PM. Look for a continuation. Maybe we take out that daily high. There it is. TP on ES. Would I consider shorting this? We are trading at the 1 hour candle high. We could expect retracement. Um, yeah, usually the first week is tough. Like, I'm not gonna. I don't really care about this fair value gap. But I don't know. This is interesting short. Maybe if we get a breaker in here, I'll look to take a short or an SMT breaker. We just got the buy side on wait, what is it? On the weekly. Yeah, we took out that buy side. Tapped into the bearish order block right there. So maybe we get some retracement. I don't know if it's gonna reverse. I was still bullish. But let's see. 50% is that low. A fair target, I think. Let's see if we get a breaker. If we get a breaker SMT, then for sure I'll look for it. If no breaker SMT, man, it depends on the displacement leg then. If it's a nice displacement, I'll consider it. Alright, let's see. 1040. 10 minutes from the macro. But it looks like a no trade day, to be honest. The only way I think is if we take this high and break lower and there's SMT. That's the only way I think I could do it. Or do I just say, you know what? We take longs at this breaker. We already took out the buy side, but we have room for higher. Right? There's this daily swing high we could potentially be playing for. It's in the ropes. If we start going lower, maybe I could catch both. M5 breaker. Let's mark out the 5-minute FEG as well. M5 breaker. This candle's low is M5 FEG. And that was the low we were looking to take profits at on the short. All right, if we get a short here, I'll look for this. And then I'll look for longs. Maybe we can catch some nice P&L today. I'm happy with that. Okay, let's see. On ES, the 5-minute FEGs. Yep, same thing. It's right there. Just way more displaced. 1026, 1020, 1020. Those 1027. Those 1026. Okay, let's see. We get a market structure shift for value gap. I think I like this. $1.7R. Put our stop loss right here. We'll just put it at the high. I'll take the 1.7R. TP at the breaker. We gotta close below. If we don't close below, no, I won't take it. Then I'll wait for the resweep. I like the inversion. No, but it's not good enough. Yeah, just lack of displacement. So I'm gonna wait for high, low, higher, high, lower, low. I'm gonna wait, see if we can resweep this. We did change data delivery, but there's no SMT, so I'd be breaking my model if I shorted on this candle right here. This would be the trade. The ICD entry is a little better than tapped into the fair value gap. Looks like it's displacing. If we miss it, we miss it. It is what it is. It didn't. It would have been breaking rules. Look at the 2-minute time frame. I just don't like that wick. I don't like that wick at all. So let's just wait. It could have been a nice plan, right? It could have been a really nice plan there to catch like 2RR here and then like 3RR on the way back if everything played out. It could have been really nice for me. Let's see. 1050 macro. It's game time now. Maybe the macro will deliver the higher price. Inversion, yeah. If there was SMT there, I would have for sure taken it because it's CISD inversion SMT, like 3 perfect reversal signs. Let's see if we can give another entry, like take out the high and then go short again. Short incoming. Yep, I'm looking for shorts here, then longs from there. That's my game plan. But I don't like this short setup. I would need it to sweep the high again. Well, it doesn't have to sweep the high, but if it gives, I need another setup. There's a mini SMT where I would have taken the short. Well, there might be one right here. This right here. Before that, why can't I see it? I don't see it, bro. Oh shit, there is an SMT at the highs. Oh shit, I would have taken this short. Okay, hold on. We can still get in. Off the CISD. I think we just market sell this one. I don't like the reaction. I would have taken it though. I don't want to market sell now because I'm just getting hesitant now. It's like hard to say why. Like it's not in a rush. But I feel like it will go lower. Whatever. I mean, worst case, we can just take our longs from here. 1050 macro. There's an SMT. I don't know how I missed that. This perfect my perfect model right here. There's an SMT here. And there's an SMT here. If this SMT forms, I'll click market sell short. No, but it did not form. The SMT change day delivery is nice, but when we're wicking like this, it's not nice. It's not as nice, you know. Like even though technically my model formed, I gotta be able to fade it. So let's see if we can take out the high and then go lower. If the SMT forms, that would be good. Good patience by us there. Yeah, I need more. If we can sweep the high, displace, and then keep this SMT, that'd be nice. Or like even SMT like this. Or like this. It'll be like that. Let's see what happens. 1050 macro in 1 minute. What's Roku stock saying? Of course, not saying anything good. Okay, let's see. There's an SMT there, 1041. I think this is the SMT that matters though. It's at the highs. Okay. 1050 is in 30 seconds. 1050 macro. We've been waiting for this. So the bias of this trade is we swept, right? There's a PD array in play here, 4-hour high. So SMT at the 4-hour high. Just saying, right? This trade's not nothing. If we invert this from a fair value gap, I'll take it on ES. Inversion with the fair value gap, I'll take it. Stop loss right here. Hard to see. Give me a bearish fair value gap, and I'll take it. Everything forming on 1 hour, yes. Yeah, there is NQ trading way higher. Okay, let's go. Give me displacement. Oh, if this is ES, so what's 3 points risk on? Yeah, so we're gonna risk like a lot on this trade, but it's fine. The wick, too much wick, too much sauce. It's too much sauce. Too much sauce. Not a BPR. Sorry. Yeah, nothing yet. We stay patient. We need a displacement lower. We put in a low. Maybe we get high, low, high, lower, low. If we invert it, I'll enter on the inversion. Two-minute inversion needs to be broken. Oh, the 2 minute fair value gap, yeah. Oh, you mean close below? Yeah, so same thing as the 1 minute. If as soon as we close below this 1 minute, I'm gonna go in. Put my stop loss right here. SMT at the lows. That's just shitty price action, bro. That's such a good idea. I was just not forming. Right. We have the parent FEG. Right. Just not going anywhere. If we get a close below, I will take it with one contract risk 150. That's pretty much half of what I have left. Stupid tricking Trade-O-Vate software. No close below. Not in a hurry to go anywhere, so I'm gonna be patient. Though I have to wait more. Let's see if we can sweep a high. If we sweep the high and displace, the reason I want that is then it's not gonna do that when I'm in the trade. If it does this, like when it's gonna wait like this, I want to wait for another sweep now. You know. It could just be accumulating shorts, but let's see what happens. SMT at the lows now, 1047, 1047 right there. SMT at the highs as well. Nothing clear. But still, the 4-hour high is intact. Long-term high. I'm putting my stop loss at the intermediate term high. If we can sweep a high, that would be good. Sweep high and displace. Okay, let's see. Let's see here. Even if we sweep this high all the way here and there's SMT there, that would be the best. That would be the best thing. That we can get really good RR and take a partial here. Ah, fuck a partial, bro. We're going for it. I can't even take a partial. I'm trading one contract. So, okay. Well, high, low, higher, high, lower, low. Macro has started. What? It's 10:55, bro. Macro started 5 minutes ago. Full port shorts. I mean, I'm basically full porting, so not that much. Too much sauce. Oh, you guys can't even see my ES shit, huh? Let me switch this to ES. MNQ. Okay. Oh, for some reason, I don't like it on the left side, bro. Makes me feel weird. Anyway, we have an SMT right here. That's high, low, higher high. Let's get a lower low. I will short this shit. Go. Go all the way down. Our FEG high right here still hasn't been hit, so that's a protective stop loss. It's still the FEG high right there. It looks like it's gonna keep going. Maybe take out that high. Again, that's the best thing that can happen. If we take out this high and then go this high right here. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. I got in on initial CISD, this one right here. I'm assuming you mean this one. Yeah. Not bad. I was thinking about it. The only reason I didn't was because these wicks. I just didn't like it. I didn't like it. If we just got one close below, I would have liked it. But if your stop loss is at the high, it's pretty protected. Hopefully. I think we're both wanting the same thing here. If it gives me a market structure shift inside there, this is high, low, high, high, low. Like a 30-second, 15-second breaker in here. What is micro? Macro is a specific time window where there's usually a price delivery. ICT teaches that the macros, the ones that matter, 850 to 910, 950 to 1010, 1050 to 1110. Those are the New York AM session macros. New York kill zone macros. Study them. You'll see price usually moves, especially 950 to 1010. You'll see a nice price swing movement. It takes a low, goes to a fair value gap. Where can I learn all these? I don't know if ICT has a video on macros. He might. You could just search up ICT macros on YouTube. As long as someone's giving you the ones that I just said, then they probably know what they're saying. But there's not much to study, really. You kind of just have to go on your own. Just know that at those specific times, usually there's a price move. Core content in 22. I think he does mention it in in core content for sure. You'll hear about it. I don't know, not a specific episode on it, but you'll hear about it. Um, but in 2022 model, I think he does talk about it in one episode. I don't know which one. It's not just like, there's no specific topic about it, but he does mention it. Again, it's not in a rush to go anywhere. Let's look at 11 a.m. If we can manipulate the highs at 11 a.m., I'm trying to know it's down like an ICT. Hey man, I'm proud of you, bro. You've been killing it. Let's see if we can low high, lower low. If we can manipulate highs at 11 a.m. I know you probably don't want to hear that, Reggie. But 11 a.m. open high, low close, right? So if we can make an 11 a.m. high, take out this high, form SMT, break lower. Oh, that would be beautiful for me personally. Oh, that's good. Yeah. So that 2023 mentorship, it's not a real mentorship. It's just continuations from 2022. He decided to release some videos on some certain things. So if this high stays protected, that's good enough for me. It's good enough for me. I kind of like this. Okay, take the high, SMT, break lower, invert. Oh, that'd be beautiful. Okay, let's not go too far. Don't go too far. We also have to remember that NQ has been trading higher than ES drastically, right? In terms of, so this could just fucking keep going. And it would just be the markets trying to sync up. If you compare them on the hourly, if ES also, if NQ takes this high, I might just abandon the shorts. If NQ takes this high, I'm gonna abandon the shorts. As soon as NQ takes this high, I'm going to the gym. If we get an inversion, I'll take it. This candle, I don't want it. I don't want it to go higher. Give me a short, bro. Give me a short. Let me like move forward. I want to. The reason I want to take a trade is because I'm either gonna lose or win. If I lose, well then I have to lose one more before getting like starting fresh. And if I win, obviously winning's nice. Who doesn't want to win? We'll give it a little bit of leeway, but yeah, it looks like looks like this might just continue higher. To the macro running, I'm winning. Looks like that high is getting taken. I really wanted that SMT, and there's still the higher time frame SMT. It's wraps. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be wraps. Yeah, I'll probably trade PM too. I mean, we'll see. We haven't closed above that high. We did put in a swing high. That's good. If we close below here, officially the SMT formed. Let's see. SMT at the 4-hour swing high. We get an inversion. I'm in this. I'm in this. There's a small fair value gap right there. Not good enough though. We gotta invert this one. It would be something like this if it formed, but yeah, it looks like it's not gonna form. We can't trade above this candle's high, this swing high in here. This swing high, we just took it. Bro, I can't keep dragging this shit up, bro. Just like chasing. They're just chasing. The SMT is broke. I'll wait 5 minutes just to see what happens, but I think it's wraps here. No PM, no trade. Let's quickly remove this. Look at the 1 hour. Oops, what did I just do? Yeah, looks like we're done. What did I just do? Let's look at the 4 hour, see where we're trading. All right, took the 4 hour high there. And looks like, yeah, we're coming for that daily high that we talked about. PM shorts, I might look to take them. Yeah, looks like we're going for the high on both. So I'll probably just come back into PM. I'm not gonna live stream it, but I'll trade PM and then I'll see if I can catch any wins or losses. Yeah, I think that's how many points until the red? 36 points. Yeah, at this point you probably expect it to go. It's good that we didn't take an L. I feel like in the past we've been taking L's. We're 3 points away from that high. We could it could reverse off this high, but I don't even care at this point. I'm just gonna come back in PM, see if I can catch something. So no trade today on stream. What's everyone up to? That's it for me. What I think is gonna happen, this high is gonna get taken, which is what we said before, right? We joined the stream, we looked at the 4 hour high, and we're looking at the daily high now, which is daily high does have a 4 hour fair value gap inside. So potentially we can see a reversal, a midweek reversal, right? Or all-time highs. So either Wednesday's the high of the week and we reverse, or we just keep smashing highs on Monday's low of week and we just go all the way to all-time high, which is possible. It's definitely in the ropes. 4 hour. Let me just mark this up so I don't forget what I was looking for. I mean, all-time highs on Nas is, we might even hit it today, to be honest. It's not that out of reach. 74 points. Yeah, makes sense. PM just continues. Anyways, I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Thank you everyone for coming.